Hello everyone. This is a tutorial video on how to navigate the Canvas page. Some students in the past have had a hard time finding where the assignments are, where they can find the announcements. So I'm just going to briefly go over that in this tutorial. Okay, so over here on the right, you're going to have your to-do list. And right here is an announcement. It has the little megaphone right there to show that it's an announcement. And here's your assignments for this week. You can also find the assignments up here on View Course Calendar. If you click on that and go down here, they're all due on the 20th. And you can also find them over here on the left-hand side under Modules. Let's click on Modules. Now, each week I will be publishing that current week, so you're only going to get a week at a time. You're not going to get the full course right off the bat. So each week I'll add a new week for you to view. So here's week 1, and if you go down here to this week's assignments, here's the tutorial videos to help you with the assignments, and then here are the assignments and the extra credit. Another place where you can find the assignments is on the home page. Now this page will change every week, but I always put the assignments on the home page. This will be the first page you see when you open up Canvas. So here's the important dates, and then here's the assignments right here, along with the syllabus. And you can jump straight into week 1 from here as well. And you can also view the syllabus up here. And then here's your grades. Just click on grades. And anytime I make any kind of feedback, you will find it in a little box over here on the right-hand side. So make sure you pay attention to feedback that I give you on your assignments. And that completes this tutorial video. If you have any questions, email me and I will get right back to you, okay?